The fact that, one had to travel so much to do anything and navigate traffic. So the moment we are in a place like this, where there's so much of greenery, there's so much, a lot of group activities, meeting your friends, maybe playing some games. Like I always wanted to learn how to play golf. And so now I just think that without having to travel anywhere, all of this is going to be available right here. The lifestyle we were maintaining, that will continue to be there, and maybe it will actually get better because of the fact that we will not have a lot of these challenges that we face day to day. So all of that will be taken care of. So we just need to sit back and relax. At Antara, things are not going to stop. They're just going to get better. And I'm just looking forward to spending the next few decades of my life here with people who are there with me, and will continue to be like an extended family. I'm just looking forward to someone teaching me how to play golf and bridge. Some of my friends have become expert at bridge, and so a lot of things. I mean, I have a huge bucket list. In 2025, and you realize that the entire social framework has changed. So when Antara, I always had this in my mind, and even the first community that was created in Dehradun, and when I saw it, I mean, like I was blown away, because has been created there is something that you just dream of when you retire, or when you're done with certain life stages, and you want to sit back. You would like to be there in the community which has been created there. And that's where, when I came to know about the Gurgaon project, and I mean, there's nothing to say, because I was already aware of the wonderful work Antara has been doing in real estate space, and the quality, and more than that, I think that passion with which this is being driven. Here there'll be a community which is similar to, something like our own family situations. And that's where, and people from similar backgrounds. I worked very closely with the NRIs, and all these years I realized that non-resident Indians, spread across various countries, are always very worried about their parents back home, about their well-being, about their security. Now that it's a compelling need actually now. Wonderful part of Antara Senior Living is it's completely a streamlined process in place. There is a complete, I would say, ecosystem created. This whole concept of Antara actually, means I could relate to it so closely, and realizing that, if not today, tomorrow, and it's coming. See, for all of us, that realization that not only our parents are aging, we are also aging. And that's where the requirement, I would say, not just, it's a requirement for a lot of us, say in my age bracket, the way I am seeing it, that, to identify that one place where you would like to just move. And that's the opportunity that Antara is offering to us.
The project Estate 360 is registered with the HA-RERA with registration number RC REP HA-RERA GGM 860592202487. Please refer to project details on the website of HA-RERA https://haryanarera.gov.in prior to making any decision.